nandito kami sa Cafe de Coral. Cafe de Coral. No coffee. Ang coffee ko ako. Value breakfast.
Snow White
Egg ham.
is hungry.
Yung malaki.
Grabe na. Ipasok mo kaya sa face.
Wala parang
What? Giving. Ano ba?
Nick Wild is
Anong
hungry.
tawag mo dyan?
Oh no, different this one.
Ang susunod.
Sabi ko mo.
Ano tayo na upuan? Scrambled egg, spam, tinapay, milk tea. Ilang? Sana talaga hindi sumakit yung chan ko. Scary.
And then, we have, I don't know what this is. Chicken in anything.
Ano total ng akin?
32.
32. Para iles lang dun sa 100.
Today we have
Hindi ka nakikita sa
spam,
vlog namin.
egg,
Camera doon. Baka kasi ano.
spam,
Pagalitan tayo.
luncheon meat, sausage, and toast.
Toasters.
I think we search
Hindi
that.
pala.
Ba't parang hindi mo alam kung ano in-order?
Hindi ko alam. Ano mo chicken?
How will you rate your food?
4 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
Why?
Normal lang.
Actually, yeah. It's the typical breakfast na
Kaya naman.
wala lang sinangag.
Ang pula ng mukha ko.
Let's go! We're going on a... Kasi partner ko.
We out here!
Medyo mainit lang. But
It's not medyo, it's super mainit.
init. So,
Pero may hangin naman na.
sana kayanin ng sunblock. Hindi ko alam kung alam yung SPF ko.
My goodness
Dapat twice mo nilagay para 100. Walang seriousness. Hey,
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
dito na lang nag-party.
First try. Ant-Man, no?
Yeah.
I'm working on some new suit tech. I want to run a couple of ideas past you.
Hindi tayo kita. May scoring pa to?
Nakaka 21,000 na tayo. Ay.
Wala akong nakita.
Okay, anong rating mo sa Ant-Man? Ikaw?
Yes. Sorry, Misa.
Never mind. Charay. I will rate it 0 out of 5. Charay. Nakakahilo!
Fingers ko.
Okay, our next try. Iron Man.
dancing